In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom thank you page to your online store. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce owner or just starting, understanding how to personalize your customer's experience can significantly impact your business. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to your homepage. From here, find the navigation panel, usually located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. What we're looking for is the section labeled Online Store. Once you've located that, go ahead and click on it. It should expand with more options. Among these options, find and select Pages. It's within this section that we'll add a personalized page. You'll see a button labeled Add Page. Click on this to open a new page layout where you'll be building your thank you page. Now, the next part is all about creativity and clarity. You'll need to enter a suitable title for your page. Something clear yet unique, maybe thanks to our valued customers. Next is the content section. This is where you can craft a heartfelt thank you message. You might say something like, "Thank you for shopping with us. We appreciate your support and hope to serve you again soon." Once you're satisfied with the title and content, don't forget to save your work. Just click the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page. Now that you have your thank you page ready, it's time to make sure it appears where you want it in your store. For this, head back to the Online Store section, where you'll now click on Edit Code. This might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. In the code editor, you'll need to locate the appropriate section where you can add an HTML snippet. A popular choice is the footer, as it's commonly visible on all pages, ensuring your thank you message is seen by everyone. However, the choice is entirely yours, depending on where you want your message displayed. So, once you find the right spot, copy and paste your HTML code snippet. This snippet will include the link or the content you want to display as your thank you message. Finally, after pasting your HTML code, make sure to give everything a run-through to see if it looks and functions as you expect. If everything appears to be in order, then go ahead and hit Save once more. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom thank you page to your online store, enhancing your customer's journey with a personal touch. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you can look forward to more satisfied customers who appreciate the extra effort you've made to thank them.